Once, a king always rewarded his wise minister for his amazing wisdom, and also for his witty manner, in which he could deal with the most difficult problems. One day, the king rewarded him richly with gold coins. The courtiers watched in jealous silence as the wise minister gratefully accepted a large plate loaded with gold coins. Now, he had to find a way to carry the gold coins home. The wise minister filled the pockets of his jacket. Then he rolled some coins into his shirt. After that, only his cap was left. So he stuffed some coins into that too. He went up to the king and bowed low to thank him. Unfortunately, his cap fell, spilling the coins all over the courtroom. The minister was distressed, but he stooped to collect the coins, which were rolling in all directions. He spread out his cap and began to put all the coins he collected into it, one by one. The courtiers began to laugh and whisper. In fact, they were jealous of the minister.
Look at him crawling all over the floor, chasing the coins. What a greedy fellow the minister is. He is not satisfied with all he has. He will not let even one single coin out of his sight.
They whispered, mocking the minister, who did not say anything. The minister continued to search and pick up the coins that had rolled under the chairs, the curtains, and everywhere. Slowly, the laughter of the courtiers grew louder and louder, until the king also became aware of it. The king looked at the courtiers sternly. The king knew that the minister always had a reason for what he did or said. If he was crawling all over the floor hunting for coins, it was not merely because of greed.
These courtiers who are laughing should be made to understand this,
the king thought.
Why are you being so stupid? Crawling under chairs and curtains for a few miserable coins? What a greedy and miserly fellow you appear to be,
said the king in a serious and stiff voice.
Why don't you just let it all go?
Sir, I have no need to be either greedy or miserly. Your kindness has given me everything I need. But these are coins, sir. Each coin has your face embossed on it. How can I let your honor be put in a position where people put their feet on it, sir?
The king smiled and took a look at his courtiers. They were all looking very foolish now. Some of them got up to help the minister collect the coins,